Hi there everyone, once again this is Digital Life Changer. In this video we are going to show you 3 steps on how to optimize your Valorant gaming experience. By the way, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified to our next tutorial videos. First is using the NVIDIA control panel. On your desktop, right-click and select NVIDIA control panel. If it's not there, it's probably because you are a Windows 11 user. So select Show More Options. After that, NVIDIA Control Panel will be on the selection. You can also access NVIDIA Control Panel using the search bar by typing it in. On the NVIDIA Control Panel, select Manage 3D Settings. Go to Program Settings. Normally, Valorant is not selected, so you will need to click the Add button. On the pop-up window, browse and look for Valorant. If you can't find it, click the Browse button and locate the installation folder for the valorant.exe file. Once found, double-click to open. On item num 3, look for the feature CUDA GPUs and select Use Global Setting. Then scroll down and look for the feature Power Management Mode and select Prefer Maximum Performance. Next, scroll down a bit more and look for Texture Filtering Quality and select Performance. Our next step is to go to GeForce Experience. You can find it on the taskbar, or if it is not there, go to Search and look for GeForce Experience. Click it on the Best Match options. Once opened, go to Drivers tab. You will see here the status of your drivers. To make sure that you are up to date, click Check for Updates. Wait for the system to finish checking. If you are up to date, there will be no downloadable content like on my case. But if you are not, you will be asked to download the new driver. A download button will appear here, then click it. Click Express Installation and wait for it to finish the installation process. Usually takes a couple of minutes. Once done, review the installation summary report, then click Close. Our third and final step is on the Valorant app itself. Click the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen, then select Settings. Click Video and select the Graphics Quality tab. For the best performance possible, you will need to set everything here to off and low settings. You might want to experiment on setting some to on and medium to high. At the end of the day, it all depends on your system. That's it for our quick tutorial. If you find videos like this helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon to get notified to our next videos.